ECCO is a Scandinavian family of shoemakers. From our start in 1963, we've made our living doing what we love best, making shoes.
Here we are inspired by nature. We believe that form should follow function and that simplicity is the essence of style. Our Scandinavian design ideals drive us to consistently innovate shoes that are lighter, more comfortable and better able to follow the form of the foot. ECCO is family owned, and that gives us the freedom to follow our Scandinavian design principles and be very passionate about shoemaking.
Unlike most other shoe brands, we choose to operate our own factories and tanneries. This gives us the resources to be a leader in both quality and innovation.
We combine traditional handcrafting methods with leading technologies to make our shoes lighter, more flexible and even stronger.
At ECCO, we're truly a global family of shoemakers. From the design process, to the tanneries, to the factories, we make an amazing product and you can feel the difference as soon as you put it on your foot. So whether you choose to purchase your shoes at an ECCO retail store, at ECCOUSA.com, or through one of our many retail partners, the quality and the passion will really come through. The essence of modern life is the ability to move from one activity to the other with ease and confidence. At ECCO, we make shoes that make that possible.